y'all. So today I went to the Booskate, the local around here. Not really local, but it's sort of local. The only local spot out there. Picked up a couple shit, some stuff for my car. Got myself a oil restrictor for my turbo. For my dashboard fitting. Also got me a drive side engine mount, Hatsport. You feel me? Gotta get something. My joint was messed up. My shit sliding back and forth. When I pull the car in, y'all gonna see it, but I got me a brand new one of those. They got me a LSD from Phantom Grip. Came in this box. I know what y'all gonna say. The Phantom Grip LSD is trash, garbage. Some of y'all never even used Phantom Grip LSD, so how can y'all tell me it's garbage? But you know, you're gonna try it out. So my train blow up, you know the LSD Phantom Grip is garbage. By the way, this is the X edition. I don't know if I can see that. You gotta zoom in on letters a little bit maybe. X edition, y'all can't really tell. The person that wrote it had sloppy ass hand on it, but the X edition means it's got extra grip. That's all it means. So it's gonna give you more force. So it's gonna be more of an actual LSD versus the real joint. And the stickers, that's for everything. And here's a piece that we actually are interested in. Look how small that looks. It's my razor blade. There you go, we got that piece right there. See that joint? Got the stamp for Fan Grip, so you know we official. This is a lot smaller than it looked online. I'm not going front. It looked a little bigger than that online. Anyway, you put these in the final drive, in the little hole, and you take these things out in the spring. Right now, you could sort of see it. The spring is like, is it focusing?
Yeah.
The spring is like sort of compressing a little bit, sort of. So once I take these out, the spring's gonna open this shit up, and that's how the LSD gonna work. So when the car is moving like this, it's gonna spin, push this out. And if you come over here, pretty much this is gonna go inside of here. So once this is down in there, there's spider gears inside that engage this final drive here, that turn the axles. So once that go down in there, this pretty much just opens up and presses against the spider gear to lock both of the wheels. Almost like a welded diff, but not really, because there's clutches inside of here that lets the wheel, each wheel have its own separate pace, because both of the wheels can't accelerate at the same time. It's gonna have issues with that. So I'm gonna throw that in there, get it installed, take it all apart, and we go from there. Hopefully you get this thing in the car running today. I won't be able to do too many pulls with it because I still need a manifold, but we're gonna be doing something.
Hey, spark that shit up, man.
This nigga don't know how to ride a bike. So this nigga don't know how to ride a bike.
I do. I drive everything as long as it got wheels on.
That boy at Mute Merc out here bringing out the old Honda. Which joint is this, bro?
1985 CB450.
CB450. Bring it in, restore it up a little bit, make it faster, you know what I'm saying? Some modifications.
Turbo!
Yo, nigga, shut up.
I had to sneeze, bro.
Damn, bros. Bless you then. God damn.
Thank you, sir. That's how we always
see. We got a lot of room right here. You feel me? Plenty of room right here. Plenty of room. And your legs don't even go nowhere near it, so we could put something there.
Routed this way.
Hood exit.
Yo, tell me how I adjust stepping dog.
Yo. Damn. Damn, bro. Damn.
Build is off to a horrible start. Fuck, son. Man.
Yo. Yeah, boy, the lining kind of terrible, but yeah. Finally got this fan grip installed. Took me a good 3 hours to grind the gears down. and a fucking cut hen. Split my shit right almost in half. But the last steps, I gotta pull these pins. I'll use this vice grip.
So you got the pins out.
You gotta take these off first. Ain't no way you're gonna get the pins off.
Yes, we are playing throwbacks.
LSD engaged, boy. Fake LSD gang.
Yup.
Gang gang.
How much horsepower that holds?
All of it. Full send or no send.
Full send. Full send.
Heard? Nah, I'm hyped, bro. Yo, y'all. Tranny clean, nice painted up, finally put together. Look at that aluminum, bro. Ice, bro. Ice, my nigga. Sponsored by yours truly, my nigga. Only one and only, bro. One and only. Check out that Henny, bro. Thanks for Reembok for holding that precious bottle, bro.
Yeah.
Shout out. Yeah, bro, look at it. So now I just whiz wheeled the surfaces, so I'm about to put some RTV, aka some Honda Bond, because that's what I use. I like using factory shit. It's somewhere over there in that cluster. But we're gonna Honda Bond that shit together. We're gonna put it in tonight, take a test drive around the block. I'm gonna have y'all together for that little test drive so y'all see what a real boosted D-series look like. You know, something that's set for the streets, you feel me? Low power, nice mid-range, nice low end power. You know, it just don't got that high end, you feel me? You know, I need that.
Look, no. Hey, bumbo clad jackass.
Yeah, why you telling them, bro? Chill. 7268, you heard?
Yo, 7268.
Yup. Revving out 12K.
Anyway, I'll put this shit together and y'all gonna see the next clip when we start this summon the car, getting the car in here, alright?
Alrighty. Finally wrapped it up. It is now well, you can't really see that too well, but it is 3:12 a.m. Got the transmission in. Put in a new mount. The other mount was shot. Put on a new filter on the catch can. You know what I'm saying? Tranny in. LSD installed. Both wheels are spinning. We're getting ready to take it on a test drive in maybe about 5 minutes. We're just double checking everything else, making sure everything's wrapped up. And we'll see. So here's the first start. It's a little dark, but we're gonna get some light on in a little bit.
Bad, but yeah. Hey, spark that shit up, man. No. Take you on the date. On the front, we gon' get the blade. Nah, I ain't blade, but I like to slay. With your bitch every day. Hold up with the cake. Nah, don't relate. No, we can't relate. Pussy nigga hate. All they wanna hate. Talk to me.